Kerfing. This is the kerfing. Kerfing is a thin piece of wood that helps you attach the soundboard to the sides. This is an acoustic guitar, and the kerf is actually the cut or the slit made in a piece of wood when you cut it with a saw. On our box ukuleles, we're just using a straight piece of wood, so it doesn't actually have any kerfs cut into it, but it is still kerfing. And we're going to make the kerfing out of the 1/2 by 1/2 pine. While building the box guitars and box ukuleles, we found that if the kerfing goes all the way to the edges, that it can be hard to fit. So it doesn't really have to go all the way edges. So when we measure, we're going to leave a little gap on either side. So it looks like the measurement is about 8 3/4 between the heel and the tail. So I think a cut of about 8 1/2 is good. We're going to cut 2 at a time because why not? And then we're going to cut 2 more. To glue in the kerfing, you're going to need some wood glue, some clothespins. Put a nice thin worm strip on there. Don't forget to spread the glue around. And wipe your fingers off so you don't get glue on the outside of your very fine ukulele. Of course, you want to try and keep it at the very top edge of the side. As you put the clothespins on, it's bound to move down a little bit, so you're going to have to readjust constantly. Always start in the middle and go out towards the ends. Use a rolling motion to put the clothespin on. That means that you start on the outside and kind of roll the pin on. That way it won't damage the sides of the box. And check and make sure it's all level. Very nice. Okay, repeat 4 more times. With all the clothespins on, I'm going to make sure that the kerfing is level with the top of the sides. And I'm going to try to clean off any glue blobs that are sticking up. And we're going to set this aside for a day to dry.